This is an old train here. It might be I think it's a steam, yeah, steam engine. I don't know what year it is, you guys, but I'm out at a place in Minnesota here. But old Bandana Square, old train depot used to be back in the day. Kind of see it there. Anyway, you got this old train on display. I know it's the number 8327, if that means anything to the collectors out there. Give me a thumbs up if you guys know anything about this old train. Got some numbers in there. It's huge. See the bell on top? Coal car or something like that, maybe. See the old boiler up inside there. Inside the control cab there. Well, here's the coal car. It was patented in 10/18 of 1904, and they got a U.S. patent on that. And Commonwealth Steel Company built this thing out of St. Louis, Missouri. So this is for the coal car now, not the train. Old train. There you go, guys. The old train at Bandana Square.